The United States is weighing the deployment of an additional 10,000 ground troops to West Asia, even as diplomatic engagement with Iran continues, according to a report cited by international media. The proposal, based on a Wall Street Journal report, suggests that the reinforcement could include infantry units and armored vehicles alongside the already deployed 82nd Airborne Division. Officials have not clarified the exact destination or operational role of the additional forces. Analysts believe the presence of the 82nd Airborne Division is linked to safeguarding key strategic locations, including Iran's Kharg Island, though details remain uncertain. A statement from the White House indicated that any official confirmation would come from the Department of War. Deputy Press Secretary Anna Kelly said that all military options remain available to Donald Trump. Meanwhile, a spokesperson for U.S. Central Command declined to comment on the report. The developments come as the US-Israel-Iran conflict enters its fourth week, with military activity continuing despite signals of a possible pause. Trump had earlier indicated that Iran sought a temporary halt to strikes on its energy infrastructure, extending a proposed 7-day pause to 10 days, ending April 6th. Amid escalating tensions, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps announced the 83rd wave of Operation True Promise 4, targeting US and Israel military installations using missiles and drones. Separately, Iran has raised concerns at the United Nations over reports alleging assassination plots against senior leaders. In a letter to UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, Iran's envoy Amir Saeed Iravani warned of serious consequences if such claims prove true.